there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Centrum's adult gummies. Now more than ever, I find myself taking vitamins, trying to be healthy, and these gummies are not only easy to take, something that you can do daily to help yourself, but they taste good, and so that's not bad either. These in particular are the multi-fruit flavored ones, so you have orange, apple, raspberry, blackberry, peach. And I like these adult gummies because not only are they giving you the vitamins and minerals that you need, but it's supporting your immunity, your metabolism, and it has biotin in it, which for, us women, great for our hair and nails. It also has zinc, which is great for your immune system. It has all the vitamins A, C, D, E, niacin, B12 for that energy. I would highly recommend these. They do taste good and they're not really hard and chewy. They're more soft, and that's the type of gummy vitamin that I like. So if you're looking for something that again is going to be easy to take and is going to benefit you and your health, then I highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.